Hi, I am Sachinjeet Kumar. I basically belongs from Uttarakhand, and I have joined this XLRI Accreditation Executive General Management Program November batch, and it has been a wonderful experience till date. So a lot of learning. I basically work in the government advisory domain, and I look forward for a enriching learning experience from this particular course and enhancement of my career opportunities. So I have already attained a 10 plus years of experience in my career, and I found it at the right time to push my career to great heights. So that's why I have chosen this XLRI brand and being a premium and oldest B school of India. So basically, the kind of domain which I work in, I work for a government advisory domain. So general management program suits me because we work on multiple projects, multiple deadlines, and it would give me an edge how to handle people, how to take strategic decisions, how to convince my stakeholders, which are mostly the different government officials and the senior industry leaders. So at present, I am working in a company. So I am looking forward for a elevation in the current role only, and I look forward for a long term with the current company. So till time, I think the experience has been amazing. The faculty, Professor Faisal, the program coordinator, Professor Sam Placid, the patron fathers, all have been very motivating. They have been guiding us. So how the students from the top-notch B schools thinks, and how and what qualities we should inculcate in our and imbibe in our life, so that we excel in whatever area we work in.